Hello, in this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT widget on HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in HUAWEI AI and click search, and now click install. Now you have to click open, and then you have to click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now, and click open permissions. Now you have to click here to allow this app to draw over other apps, and you can go back and click start. And as you can see, right here there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.